Babe. Where did you get that thing from?
Don't be chill now. Now this is not how to do fruit salad. You pour the milk on the cucumber. You have to slice it before you pour the milk, the granite and.
Babe, that's not babe. That's not fruit salad.
This is what? You don't need to pour the milk on the cucumber.
That's not milk. That's not real milk. Babe, now, hey.
Come on now.
Babe, that's not real milk now.
Which milk is this?